In this video, I'm gonna be going over one of my favorite strategies of how I plan to use AI in my own concrete company. The number one thing that I'm by far the most excited for is called an AI chatbot. Before you click off this video, you're probably thinking, you're like, dude, I'm just a contractor. I don't need to know about AI. I don't need to know about these automated chatbots. I'm just gonna keep doing the things that I've been doing for all of time, and that's how my business has done well in the past. And to that, what I would say is I can't tell you how many people that I knew when I was working in a marketing company about 5 years ago who are going out of business because what they would do for marketing is they would use phone books, and that's because they did phone books for 20, 30 years sometimes, and it was always really successful for them. But then what happens is when things went into the digital era and things like Google, Facebook, all that came along, phone books were no longer relevant. And I think with AI, that is where we're heading in the future. So if you believe that too, it's better to come out on front of it versus be on the back end of it and hopefully save your business before it's too late. All right, so back to AI chatbots. So unless you've lived under a rock for the past 6 months, you probably know what ChatGPT is. If you haven't heard of it, or maybe you just think it's just a trend, I just looked this up right before I made the video, and ChatGPT is now getting 1.8 billion hits every single month, and it keeps growing exponentially. So if you think this is just a fad and it's going away, I hate to tell you, but it's not, and you either learn to live with it or you're gonna get left behind. And so when ChatGPT originally came out, I really thought it was cool, but I thought it was more just like a gimmicky toy and it wasn't super useful yet. And even just now with ChatGPT, what I personally use it for are things like writing emails. I might tell ChatGPT, I might feed it a long email from a client, and I say, hey, respond to this, saying these main key points, and do it in a certain manner, and I'll provide a little example on the screen right here. You could use ChatGPT to also summarize emails. I've used ChatGPT also to do even things like job posts just like this. And then the last thing that I've used ChatGPT for that I thought was awesome is if you're struggling coming up with a really creative way to describe how you're gonna do a project, or like say for instance, like the job specs of certain things, plug that into ChatGPT and you will be shocked what it comes back with the answer with. While each of these things technically improved my efficiency as a business owner and it made me faster, and I had my team also use this as well, so my team was working faster, but I didn't really think that was a huge game changer as far as the way business will be done until I discovered this AI chatbot. So what is an AI sales chatbot? Have you ever seen on a website, and I'll show you right here, where there's that chat widget right at the very bottom right of the screen? And in the past, these were really effective, but the thing is, you would have to pre-record them with like taking people down a journey where they were only allowed to ask a certain preset of questions. Well, the cool thing now is you not can only have ChatGPT, but you could also pre-program information about you, your business, all the different things that you want to train ChatGPT to be able to answer. So let me give you an example. Like for instance, if we were to give ChatGPT a document with, for instance, your business hours, your services, what makes your company different, all the things that you typically talk about on your website, you can actually pre-program the model so that way your web chat AI sales bot can actually answer questions about your company in particular. And the cool thing is you don't have to be the one to determine what the customer should ask. The customer will be able to ask whatever it wants to, and it will be able to respond very intelligently, specifically about your company. And one of my favorite things is because, for instance, we use Excel sheets to do all of our pricing, you could even train ChatGPT on your pricing model. So that way, if someone says, hey, I'm just looking for a rough quote right now, and the AI sales bot can say something like, okay, great, yeah, tell me a little bit about your project. Is it a standard, concrete, or decorative? they might be able to say standard. And they say, okay, roughly how many square feet is your project? And they might say 600 square feet. The cool thing is if you train the chatbot correctly, it will actually accurately be able to give the customer rough pricing. So at this point, you might be thinking, well, that's really cool, Tyler, but like, what does that actually do for me as a business owner? And very simply, what it will do is help get you more leads. And the best part is really simplify your sales process. Because think about it, as we move more and more and more into the digital age, what is one thing that is moving more towards? It's speed. Customers want speed. They want speed of information. They want speed of quotes. They want speed of communicating. They want to do things on their time because people like to buy, they do not like to be sold. And this individual tool is the exact thing that you can give someone that will help aid them buying but not feel sold. And that is the exact thing. You want people to feel comfortable. You want them to be able to do it fast. You want working with you to be as easy as possible. So if you could implement something like this into your business, that, at least for me, is a total game changer. At the time of making this video, I'm actually working with a developer to custom make this for my own business. So if you're watching this video about a month in advance, we might already even have an option where you can buy one of our pre-programmed chatbots to put on your website. And if you want us to even help run marketing or like run traffic to it so it can generate leads, we will be able to offer that as well. I'm super excited for this. Even if you're just interested in it, let me know what your thoughts are in the comments down below. And I'm really excited for this new technology and to see where it takes us. Remember, we need to stay on top of trends because the world is going to change with or without us. I would rather change with the world than be the ostrich with its head stuck in the sand, not wanting to change, and then the whole world will blow right past you. So that's all that I have for you in today's video. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you thought this was cool, and I will see you guys in the next one.